Hi there, this is Edwin Serrano, owner of Home Pros Painting, with another Take a Minute to Get It topic. Drywall repairs are very common when we perform interior painting projects. You should make sure to figure out and fix whatever caused the drywall damage before you do the painting. Drywall cracks that are caused by the house settling or some kind of force are not warranted, since we have no control over this occurring and affecting our repairs. An example would be a finished attic where the floors have some kind of wiggle and causing the ceiling below to move. There really isn't such a thing as repairing drywall and spot painting. The patched area will look slightly different because the texture of the drywall has been modified slightly with the joint compound or spackling used. Anytime we spackle or use joint compound, we have to apply primer so that the new paint will adhere over the new spackle. One thing I really need to convey to our potential customers is that a project which is primarily a drywall repair project, meaning the reason we are there is primarily due to drywall repairs, is very inefficient from a production side of things. We have to make the trip out to do the drywall repairs and can only apply one coat of joint compound at the time. Then we have to roll back and sand the first coat of joint compound and apply a second coat. Then we have to wait for that second coat to dry before we roll back a third time to sand and apply a finish coat. Because of these inefficiencies, drywall repairs tend to be on the expensive side of things. Please keep in mind that we have to pay our workers for making these trips and working short hours, meaning they lose production hours. We try to be fair about pricing, and I can tell you it's always best to incorporate drywall repairs with other projects like painting rooms. Thanks again for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you learned a little something.